Hey guys, so I just wanted to start this video off by saying thanks for all the support for the last few videos. The Scottsdale and Sugarland video, they're doing pretty good and people seem to be really enjoying them. The Bullhead trip, hopefully that turned out good. As of this recording here, I haven't edited the Bullhead trip yet. Anyways, I'm gonna do something a little different for this video. I'm gonna do kind of like a week in the life of starting with getting ready to go to Saskatoon. So we saw that in the first video, but this one's gonna be a little weird. We're in the middle of a bit of a snowstorm here. I gotta go prep the driveway, get the truck out, and hopefully get going in the next hour, hour and a half. Without further ado, guys, let's go get this driveway cleaned out and let's get up to Saskatoon and get going. I think Saskatoon took the cake for the storm. It is a lot worse here. Jeez. Well, highways weren't near as bad as I thought, so that's a huge plus. I didn't see anyone in the ditch. So it's a good drive. It's a really good drive. I just can't believe how much snow is in Saskatoon right now. It's crazy. This snowbank, when I left, it was only maybe 2 feet. Now she's, oh, this snowbank's gotta be at least 5 feet tall. Oh boy. Anyways, got a long one tomorrow, guys. We're gonna be going up to Points North Landing and back, and then up to Charlotte and back. So we'll be doing lots of time lapses tomorrow to show how crazy these trips are. It's gonna be pretty fun. nice. Alrighty guys, just made it into the hotel. We checked in quick and decided to go for lunch right away. We were pretty hungry, so went down to the Marker 47 here in L'Orange and had a Reuben sandwich and had some borscht, which was really good, really good. Also had a coffee. Just walked back, sun's shining, it's cold but no wind, so it's actually really nice outside right now, to be honest. That was a nice walk. The sun is really warm. Anyways, I figured, you know what, I'll give you guys a real quick tour. So if you remember from the first episode or first vlog or whatever you want to call it, I did a hotel room tour, so it's gonna look really familiar. For those of you that watched the first episode, this is your first time watching, well, I'll give you a tour of the hotel room up in L'Orange, starting with the entranceway. Shoe room, boot room, got the bathroom here. So, and the shower. Actually, it's been redone. Looks really good. And then the main room. Got the bed, some seating. Got the TV, little microwave, the door that goes outside, and then we have the fridge. Nope. Nothing in the fridge. Okay, I'm gonna hang out, and eventually later today we'll get a call and we'll go back to Pine House, pick up our passenger and come back here. I think we're gonna go down to a place called Costa's just down the road for supper tonight. It's a really cool establishment here in L'Orange, so it's kind of a staple. And if you've been here, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. Hey guys, all right, so I just got home from a 4-day hitch. It was a really good week. It was actually a really good week. We ended up we did the Charlotte trip and the Points North trip on the Monday. And we did the Pine House, L'Orange overnight, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then ended up doing another contract run yesterday. And sadly, Wednesday, I could not record a ton of that. We ended up getting not really kicked out of the hotel, but we weren't able to stay. So we ended up going down to the Marker 47 cafe and we lounged around there till our passengers were ready for pickup out of Pine House. And then from there we went down to the airport, grabbed our passengers, flew back to L'Orange, dropped them off, and then flew back to Saskatoon. I'm gonna do some editing and get the video that you're gonna see before this one done, which is Bullhead. So if you guys have watched Bullhead again, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And another cool thing is, as of today, March 7th, 2024, I just passed 100 subscribers on YouTube, so that's awesome. Really appreciate it, guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the Bullhead video. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.